Hey everybody, got a quick little thing here. I got my new iPhone 4 this morning, and everybody's been having that signal issues going on in the bottom corners here, holding on to them. As you can see, I have used some scotch tape to hold on to the sides here, and it actually keeps the signal bars steady. So as you can see here, we've got full signal strength here. Sorry about the no focus here on this little cheap HD camera. It doesn't show a whole lot. So as you can see here, we are holding the device in its normal spots here, and it is keeping the signal bars pretty steady. So as you can see here, it's pretty well taped on the sides here, and yeah, no other place but just on the sides there. And as you can hold it, I mean, it keeps it. So hopefully, other people will try this, and I haven't seen anybody else try it. So you're more than welcome to give it a shot, see if it works for you. But for me, it works perfectly. So yeah.